zoning. We're going to talk about this one here, okay? Zoning and hitting. Or I can also zone this way, zone here as well. Okay, so we have two different hits that we can do off of the zone step. Why do we zone? Multiple attackers. Okay? Multiple attackers and possibly environmental. Other than that, not a good idea. Strategically. What's the downside of zoning? Unnecessarily. What's the downside if I need to square off with Charles? What is the downside of me zoning versus going straight ahead? Really easy to see. If you zone on me, left or right, doesn't matter, go. Very easy for me to just adjust. Okay? So when we think about zoning from a closing point of view, okay, we only do that because this. Two people. Now I got two of you guys to deal with. Okay? If I go straight and tag you in the mouth, boom, he's on me. Okay? So, because as soon as I move, he can move. Right? And for that matter, so can you. Okay? So I zone, now he can't get me. Okay? Now he's a step away. Okay? So let's just try this really quick here. First thing, so I'm going to step off, we'll call it 45 degrees just because. So I step off line, number one, and get your weight on that leg. Don't do this. Get your weight on that leg, okay? And now from here, no hands, don't worry about the hand. Target's approximately here. What I want you to do is square and drive both hips into that target, like so. Just watch the first time here. So the rear foot stays behind. So I step here, boom. Step, pivot. Beautiful. Yep, yep. So step, pivot. Beautiful. And drive. Think about driving forward. One more. Step, pivot. Good. Try the other way. Stepping with your left foot. Okay. Step, pivot. Step, pivot. So what we were doing is step, boom. There's the pivot. The critical aspect of this is to power that hit with the hip. You've got to have some kind of body for that power. Okay? So it's step, boom, right there, boom. But again, not over rotating and having my hips off this way. Because now, this takes forever to come back. Make sense? Okay. 1, 2. There it is. 1, just there. Okay? Notice the angle. See, it's here. About a 45-degree angle. Not straight and not to the side. This is a hook, that's a jab. This is at a zone. Second one's also about 45. Right there. Yeah! Yeah! One more.
It's hard to get good.
Left hook afterwards. Boom, boom. Yeah, just because. Just because I can. Just because I can. Because overkill is underrated.
Right.
So make sure you're close enough. When I mean close enough, I'm really talking about, first of all, I don't need to step off that far. Okay? This is not where I want to go. The width. This is way too far to the outside. I'm not even able to hit you. You see what I mean? Mm-hmm. So when we talk about being close enough, it's the depth of the step, not the width. See, I want to step just outside of your foot. Beautiful. But you see how much further up I am. Mm-hmm. Boom. Now there's no way I'm reaching. You follow? I mean, I should be able to clock you with this without having to readjust. Right? Or banging. Okay, but if you're stepping in such a way, see, a little further away, yeah, I kind of hit you here. Not happening here. Mm-hmm. Not happening here.